Hey, welcome. Today we are looking at this incredible best Maxton Style Front. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it feels solid and premium. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for